beauties. I've got this other necklace from this brand and I love it. It's beautiful. It comes in a very nice wrapping this time. This is the polishing thing. I think you just need to, oh, sorry. You just need to unbox it like this. And then you bring it out. And this is like the link necklace. It's the fashion right now, and I got this golden one. I'm going to wear it, and I could style it with another one too. Gorgeous. It's very easy to wear. I really love it. It's beautiful, and thank you for watching.